And then there are some other examples important to show. Banks are very special as the equity is very, very small compared to the total assets. That's the principle of a bank. A bank has hardly any money of its own and takes money from parties and puts it over to another party. So from the principle of a bank, the balance of a bank is a bit odd, and it shows in AnRep3D as a very, very narrow, deep building. Here 4 Dutch banks are taken for a couple of years, and although they make a good profit, the green roof is rather large. We can zoom in to see it closely. The balance is really, really odd. This is the equity, this is the total assets. So basically nearly all the money is in liabilities, with a small part being equity. Of course, it's okay to show a bank with the AnRep3D generator, but combined with other companies it can get a little bit difficult. Here we have a combined graph showing a bank. It's not a real bank, but it's for demonstration purposes, combined with manufacturing, insurance, an employment agency and a retail company. And if we have a look at the bank, it's so deep. It's a narrow building, very deep, that it puts the other parts of the graph, well, would like to say in danger, but it makes them hard to observe. And looking through the graph, actually by zooming, is a kind of journey. So really a journey. If we go to the back and look at them, we can actually travel through the graph by zooming, and then we see bank, 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 and sometimes the other companies coming along. But the combination of a bank or an insurance company with other companies can be a little bit awkward, but still it's interesting to combine normal companies with a, well, comparable balance sheet to each other, and looking at the differences we can see the retail has very small total assets compared to the equity, and still makes a very good revenue but not an extreme profit, whereas the bank with its small equity makes a lot of profit. So all kinds of interesting observations can be made looking at an AnRep3D graph.